Alright, this is Jamie.
Not gonna run out of fizz or anything, is it? It does look like a wank.
It does.
Yes.
Here we go. Sellotaped it up.
Want to shake it up?
Why do we want to shake it up some more? Oh, you dick! Gun?
It's like somewhere over there.
Okay, dude, let's do this.
I'm gonna make Ma proud.
I'll just. So this camera doesn't work now. Because we shot it.
Yeah, we did. Safety's on, isn't it?
Is the safety on?
Yeah, the safety's on. That's on. It's on.
Good.
Yeah, don't want to shoot you in the face.
No.
That'd be awesome though. But...
Cheers. Okay, Jamie's having a go at it.
I'll probably miss, you know. That's so good. That's so good. Oh, it's right in the middle. Oh, that's sweet. Probably just cut my mouth, but
Look at that. That's pretty good.
Can we watch that?
Yeah. But I think it went straight through. Yeah, you cut a hole in the other side.
Oh,
Right there. Aerosol can.
Aerosol can, yes, we'll be choosing that. That might make an explosion and kill someone, but until we get to that.
The camera's at a safe 5 meters.
Yes. And the rest of the family are in the house, which should be fine.
Lube it up.
That is disgusting. Lick it.
Lick it, the glue!
He's trying to steal Rice Krispies. This is just stupid.
just
shoot it.
Should you just shoot this? Just record it. Do you want to shoot this?
Looks like someone shat on it.
And jizzed at the same time. Yeah, we got an aerosol can, which we attempted to stick Cocoa Pops on it.
But now it looks like shit and jizz.
Yeah, with glue, but it didn't work. And this is fuck. We have Rice Krispies.
No, that's cornflakes. Get it right, John.
I'm sorry. Okay, this is the Rice Krispie Cocoa Pops. Have I got it right? No, it's cornflakes.
It's
cornflakes.
Cornflakes.
Orange. They're golden. Get it right. But this is the cornflakes in an inflated bag.
Political correctness, my ass.
And this is another inflated bag, which isn't as inflated as this inflated bag over here, but it is inflated.
You got a hole. Oh, I got a hole. Is that it?
It didn't do much. So, it's pretty crap. Oh well, we got some breakfast. Yeah!
Did we hit it?
You made a huge dent in it! Right, you know, right where the plastic meets the metal. Right there, can you see? I could explode any time. Just shoot it again. It stinks. There it is. We're recording. Yeah. Safe now. Safe now. Okay. Oh, it stings. There you go. And there's the dent on the other side, and
pellets in it.
Yep.
Just let me see my
The
dent.
the pellet's still inside. Your dent's there.
Oh, it's so close.
Oh no, it went straight. Look, it even made a hole on the other side, and it stayed inside.
I think we're even now. I got to hit the coke, you got to hit the aerosol.
Yeah.